Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to see one very important video, and that is what are the three biggest mistakes students make in their A1 letter writing. Schreiben module Tile 2. Okay. So if you are preparing for Goethe A1, this will be very important video for you. And at the end of the video, I am going to give you one bonus mistake, you can say. So watch till the end. Let's start with the video. Now, first biggest mistake students do in their A1 letter writing is not covering all the 3 points. Okay. So in your letter writing, A1 letter writing, Schreiben module Tile 2, you will be given 3 points, bullet points or Punkts in German. So you have to cover them. For example, first point, suppose, why are you writing? Second point, when? And third point, where? And you have to cover all these 3 points in your A1 letter writing. Students usually they write 1 or 2 points. Okay? They just forget third point and they will lose marks. So what is the solution for this? How to avoid this mistake? So first point is underline all the 3 points before writing. Second one is write one sentence for each bullet point, each punkt. Okay? And third one is check before you finish whether you have covered all the 3 bullet points. This is very important. Okay, you have to cover all the 3 points. Now, second biggest mistake is wrong word order. Okay, and this is very common mistake. Students usually don't follow the rule. This is the grammar rule that verb should be at the second position in a sentence. Now students, what they write like ich am Samstag habe Geburtstag. But this is wrong. It should be ich habe am Samstag Geburtstag. Okay, I have on Saturday birthday. Geburtstag is birthday. So verb, in this case habe is coming at the second position. Okay, this you have to understand, you have to keep it in mind. Another example, ich morgen komme nicht. This is wrong. It should be ich komme morgen nicht. Okay, so komme is verb, and here in this case it is coming at the second position. Okay, so how to avoid this? Just check it after you write that if your verb is coming at the second position. Okay, clear? Okay, now third biggest mistake, writing too long or too short. Your ideal A1 letter writing or A1 letter should be 30 to 40 words, within this range. Okay, writing 15 words is too short and writing 80 words is too long. Okay, so be sure that your letter should be in 30 to 40 range, 30 to 40 words. Okay, so how to do this or how to avoid that mistake? That your letter should be 4 to 5 sentences so that you can cover 30 to 40 words into 4 to 5 sentences. Okay, and use simple German. Don't complicate these sentences, because if you write very long and complicated sentence, the chances of making grammar mistakes are very high. Okay, got it? Right. So, and write each one sentence for each point. This is clear? Okay. So now we have seen three mistakes, biggest mistakes. Now I am going to give you one bonus mistake, and that is forgetting greetings and closing. Right? So this is also very, very important. Don't forget greetings and closing. Content is very important, but your format, letter writing format, greetings, beginning of the letter and closing is very, very important. So start with Liebe Anna, then your main content will be there, and end with Viele Grüße or Liebe Grüße and your name. Okay, don't forget to write your name at the end. This is very, very important. And if you avoid these mistakes, then I'm sure that you will score full marks in your A1 letter writing, Schreiben Teil 2. Okay, this is clear. So these were the three biggest mistakes and one bonus mistake that you should avoid in your A1 writing section, Schreiben module Teil 2, A1 letter writing. Okay. Comment me in the comment box if you want mock tests, sample papers, etc. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. That's all for today, friends. Thank you and bye-bye.